Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna do a solo trip to Surakarta or Solo. Now we're just heading to the train station using an LRT and an express train to Soekarno-Hatta Airport. So that's where the LRT station is. Let's go there. Now it's at 6:15 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So we're heading to the Duku Atas station, and after that, we're gonna transfer the train to Manggarai, and from Manggarai is using the express train to Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Okay, let's just wait for the train in 6 minutes.
Stasiun akhir Duku Atas. Final station Duku Atas Interchange. Pintu akan dibuka. Hati-hati pada celah peron. Doors are opening. Please mind the platform gate.
Bandara Airport train. Let's go.
Tinggal jalan kaki udah.
Oke, masuknya di.
Maksudnya lurus ke bawah, nanti harus ke kiri.
Oke,
Ada-
kasih Pak. So yeah, we did a faster road using Ojek online. Driver said that walking takes about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and with motorcycle is only about 5 minutes. So we're here at Station BNI City. Okay. Tiket reguler ya?
Untuk terdekatnya di jam 7.38.
Oke.
Silakan ikuti saja. Silakan masukkan nomor teleponnya terlebih dahulu. Baik, untuk metode pembayaran menggunakan debit kredit atau pakai
Terus ya.
Ya,
Okay guys, definitely more time with the train, so I canceled the train from here, BNI City to Soekarno-Hatta, because the staff says that it will arrive at around 8:26, which is so tight. Our flight is scheduled to depart at 8:45. So therefore we need to use another transport using another go car. So yeah, we're just waiting. Hopefully the driver will arrive soon. Okay. And via train from here to Soekarno-Hatta will take about an hour almost, about 50 minutes or so. And yeah, with cars only about 30 minutes. And the fastest time is at 7:38 from here. So yeah, that's not gonna be enough. So let's hope that I can make the flight. See you later. Selamat pagi, Pak. Ke Bandara Terminal 3 ya, Pak?
Kira bukan apa tadi.
Iya, tadi saya mau naik kereta, cuman ternyata nggak sempet nih. Kalau kereta mesti nunggu lagi. Terus 1 jam.
Berangkat jam berapa ini pesawat?
8.45, Pak. Jadi kita pakai yang rute tercepat aja ya.
Siap-siap.
Soalnya paling cepat ada jam 7.38 yang terdekat ya waktu dari sekarang. Udah gitu nyampe sana jam 8.26. Udah cepet banget. Okay, we made it to airport. Now it's 8 p.m. 8 p.m. 8 a.m. So we got like 45 minutes to board on the plane. No luggages to check in, so just go straight to the gate. Security check. So the gate is apparently number 16. Iya. Iya. Bye, di Solo, just like in Solo. Wow. So